Going to Japan was always on our bucket list ever since we were kids. So when our friends invited us to come along on their travels from Hakone to Osaka, Nara, Kyoto, and back to Tokyo, we were like, heck yeah! So here it is, for 3 amazing weeks. Let me show you the places I never thought to go, activities I've only seen on my socials, and of course, every single delicious thing we ate in between. Also, for those who are new to this channel, hi, my name is Linda, this is my husband Tony, and we're an early retired couple navigating through our 30s, trying to do everything that makes us happy, leaving no room for regrets. So join me on this Japan series I've cleverly named For our last hours in Kyoto, we had to visit the Nishiki Market for some delicious Japanese street food. We decided to browse through this random chopstick shop that sold, you guessed it, chopsticks, as well as chopstick accessories. Which after perusing through, I could confidently say that they looked way too bougie for me to ever use to eat. But if I were to look for souvenirs for friends and family, this wouldn't be a bad idea to bring back. They're cute, good quality, and practical. Plus, all this window shopping is a great way to prepare my stomach for some serious eating. From gorgeous looking and bright colored thick slices of sashimi to deep fried anything on a stick, the seafood looking so fine, I could imagine biting into each and every one of them. I want everything. A feast for the eyes as well as a show, I got to watch these street vendors' hands move as they cooked, showing just how popular this market attracts a crowd for the turnaround for food to seem endless. Okay. But look at that uni! Because my stomach, I don't think can handle it.
Oh, that butter soy sauce sounds good though.
But eventually, following the yummy smells and crowds led us to this perfect starter.
Hi. Sauce is inside. Okay,
Sauce inside. A classic dish that we know and love. How was it, Shard?
Is it good?
I can't tell yet.
Wow.
Yeah.
How do you like it?
Good. Crispy.
Michelin guide. Oh yeah. What do you mean?
They're guided by Michelin restaurants, I guess.
Meaning they're not one themselves?
Probably not.
Did I get it, Thomas? Oyster sauce. How is it?
Not bad.
Not bad? Okay. It is like regular croquette, but it's good. It's fresh.
Oh, sorry, we just need regular cook. This can't be so hard.
It's really good.
Keep blowing, keep blowing.
Now I know why it's called Kyoto's Kitchen. I was surrounded by so many delicious goodies to choose from.
Might be from the same place, honestly.
Got different grades.
Really taste a lot more green tea for this one.
Damn.
Try it.
Okay. Yeah, it's pretty good.
More green tea taste, yeah.
I actually like it. It's really good. It's got a very
A little nice bitterness to it.
yeah, but it's not too bitter. Yeah, man. We also got a okay, so we got a matcha dorayaki right there.
Actually, we'll drop it right now.
Huh? Oh, I know. Ooh. How does it feel? Does it feel fluffy?
It's like a regular dorayaki.
There's some dollop of matcha in there. Okay, first bite.
It's like a seed. People are
It's okay. It's not. I'm biased. I like the maple margarine one.
I should like this one more.
Yeah? A quick search on Google showed this market is famous for their wide variety of Japanese street food, which made figuring out where to eat next so hard. We got skewer. bad.
No.
Not bad. I like it. Black sesame?
So together it's 800 yen. So this is the croquette.
Coquette. Okay.
And this is the curry bread.
That's good. I was just thinking to myself, like, our friend brought a croquette and it had wagyu meat in it, but I didn't really taste it. It kind of tastes a little on the same side. Okay, we're gonna try the curry bread.
It tastes like the black sesame soup.
This is the inside.
I'll try
It's not bad. Pretty good. You want to try? Can you taste the sesame? Oh, thank you.
Oh wow, good. It's pretty.
Black sesame.
I don't have black sesame ice cream, so whatever. Because I wouldn't think it
Okay,
normally,
good.
right?
That tastes good. Tasty. This was the best way to end our time in Kyoto, or any other place for that matter, because food is a gateway to experiencing another's culture, and boy did we experience Kyoto culture. So much so that I felt very uncomfortable at how much culture I took in. So walking was especially hard since we had to make our way over to the Shinkansen, which is famous for being punctual to the T, so missing this train was not an option.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
After more than a 2-hour train ride later, we finally made it back to the capital, where our Japan travels first started. This also means landing in one of the busiest train stations in Tokyo, which took some time to figure out where to exit. Luckily, my friends took charge and navigated us out, which I am internally grateful for their help. Making it back to Tokyo, I couldn't help but feel the vibe has changed completely from our time in Kyoto. The atmosphere feels louder, people seem busier, but the biggest change was the quality of the hotels. I'm usually not that picky about accommodations when traveling, but after hotel hopping around Kyoto and Osaka, seeing what their 3-star hotels had to offer, coming back to Tokyo and checking into this quote-unquote 3-star hotel was kind of a bummer. First off, there was no housekeeping during our stay, so if we wanted our garbage taken out, we would have to leave it in the hallway at a certain time to get picked up. If we wanted clean towels, we would have to go to the reception desk to get them, which wouldn't be a problem for us if there was a clerk at the desk. Regardless if it was in the morning or early evening, there would be no one there, just a sign with a phone number in case we really needed to reach someone. I swear the only time I saw a person at the reception was when we checked in and checked out. But if I were to say something positive about our stay, the room was spacious, adequately clean, and the fridge was pretty big. But enough about the accommodation. It was now time to make the last and most important choice of the day, which was figuring out what to eat. This was especially hard to decide when you're in a city that has a near infinite amount of delicious choices to choose from.
What do you want to eat?
Food.
Just food.
Yes, food. I remember back in Bangkok they had like 10 as the max, but this one has like
20, yeah.
20.
I know it was the same, but
The place we ended up choosing happened to be one of my childhood dreams to come to because of a certain YouTube couple that I admire and who hyped this place up to the max. As a kid, I would watch an endless amount of times, drooling over the food, imagining how it would taste, and now I can finally try it. I'm not breaking the yolk. Come on. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh. Delicious.
your childhood?
Yeah, I guess it's part of my childhood.
You're growing up watching the Sunmo channel.
Yeah, this is I modeled this order exactly from how Martina orders hers. Except I'm not doing a 10. That's not gonna happen.
She did a 10. She did a 10.
She's a 10. She said she can go higher if she wanted to. Wow, so creamy. I don't know what the pickled topping really makes it.
NANI?!
please. 600. That's the
I
difference
was not
here.
expecting this much curry though. Like I was expecting like a regular portion of curry.
I'm embarrassed to say that instead of filming to see if my friend was able to eat all that curry, I decided it would be more exciting to film away from the action.
But now you got equal amounts.
A new move that I wish I could have turned back in time to change.
Holy
I'm not
moly!
Oh, it's too salty. It's too salty. I got your OCD.
This ended up being one of the biggest regrets of the trip.
A lot of fucking curry. Here.
Nearly forgetting the most important part of the meal, and our last meal of the day to boot, was something sweet.
They didn't have the apple pie with ice cream, but they have this, so let's try it out. Oh, look at that big piece. Oh, it's warm.
147.
I like it.
Oh, the apple.
Not bad. I asked them if they had the old one. It's an apple pie with ice cream, but they discontinued it.
Well, it's promotional special at that time.
But now, it was time to burn off all that calories with some shopping.
Hopefully this one lasts. Oh, you get like a bag by yourself. No charge?
Our tummies full and wallets lightened, it was now time to head back to get some rest.
It's amazing they can just find it by weight.
If you're enjoying our Japan travel series, let me know with a like, comment, and if you enjoy our great personality, hit up that subscribe button and click on the notification bell to be alerted of our next adventure.